Cluck Cluck Chicken Lady here. So it's 4th of July today. Let's see if I can get it. Got my 4th of July chicken shirt on. All set. Hold on. Oh, I got a message from Prom Time. Hold on. There's a chicken with a piano. Okay. What? Oh my God, no way!
No way.
How the cluck are they doing that?
No! That is crazy.
There's gotta be.
I do. I mean, I've never seen that before.
They've gotta be dropping seeds in that thing somehow to get that chicken to do that. Either way, it's talent. Either way, for the person who's putting the seeds in there, if that's the case. This is crazy! Oh my God, do y'all see this? Well, that chicken ain't got no bird brain, does it? Oh my God! That's amazing! I think I should be standing.
That is what I thought.
Oh my God, how cool is that? Okay. If that chicken don't win, we riot. That is crazy. Huh. I got an idea. Okay, chickens. It may be 4th of July and a holiday and most people don't work, but we are getting to work. I got my fanciest keyboard here. It's got its own case, as you can see. Now we're going to learn how to play the Star Spangled Banner. Y'all ready? This is the only way I know to teach chickens. Here we go. What the cluck, chickens? Did I say play Mozart? No. I said play the Star Spangled Banner. We got some major work we gotta do.